Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different from ones I usually do, but I really wanted to do a review on this. It's the Bedhead Away We Go. It's a hair waver. I've never had one exactly like this before, and I don't know, I really started enjoying doing this to my hair, but I would usually do it heatless. Like, I would use coconut oil in my hair the night before and braid it and just sleep with it on like that, but that's kind of a hit or miss. Sometimes I'd wake up with bedhead and it would look terrible, and then other times I'd wake up and it looked really cute. So I really wanted to just purchase something I could do it on my own with, and yeah, so if you guys want to hear what I think about this product, then just keep on watching. So yeah, I got the Bedhead Away We Go to have like wavy hair instead of just curling it or straightening it. I kind of wanted something a little bit different, and I purchased mine from Ulta for about $40. Probably cheaper because I probably had some points to use up, honestly, and I've been using it for a few weeks now, so I know how I kind of feel about it. I really like this one because there was 4 different options to it. I wasn't really sure what kind of wave I wanted to do with my hair, and I changed my mind all the time. So I got this one, and it heats from 250 to 400. I will typically stick on 350. I did start off with the lower settings just to see, you know, what worked for my hair. I have really long and thick hair, and for me 350 works. I hold it in sections for about 10 seconds, and then I'll move on to other parts. So I'll show you guys real quick like how I did it, but all I did was grab like about this much of a section, and I would just work down my hair, and like I said, 10 seconds each, then moving it down to where it kind of left off. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty quick and simple and easy to use. I'm not sure if I'm holding it properly, but I typically would take this back end and have it facing towards me when I do it, and then these parts out. And the reason I do that is because then, like, I don't burn myself. I feel like if I were to do it this way with the clamps facing inward, I would probably be more likely to burn myself. So I don't know if that's the right way, but that's the way I do it, and it works fine for me. So today I did my hair with the waver, and I used the setting 4. Typically it gives it a little bit more of a wave than this, kind of like a more natural, like messy kind of look to it, but I did get rained on when I was walking the dog right before filming this, so it might be just like a little bit toned down. But yeah, this is setting 4. I typically will like either setting 4 or setting 1. Sometimes I'll go with setting 3, 2. I don't know. It just isn't usually what I go for. I either really go for really light like this, or I'll go for the extreme. But because of how thick my hair is, typically if I do it on like 1 or 2, I would take pieces from like here and section it off and like pull it back and like bobby pin it in and like cover that up with some of my hair. I'll do like a braid or a twist, and I really like how that turns out. But I think it's really cool. All you do is just turn this thing right here, and you can see this is 1, and then setting 2, 3, and 4 for the deepest wave, which, like I said, is the one I used today. The only products I've used today was the Tresemme heat protector, and then after I get done doing this, I'll go in with Suave Silk. I just use that to like kind of tame down the frizz because my hair gets a little frizzy when it gets heated. I will typically do my hair on like second day hair, so like I'll wash it the day before and then do it like this the next day because I just feel like it wears better. And there's a lot less frizz with my hair because typically after I blow dry, my hair is like really poofy and voluminous, and I feel like this adds enough volume to where I don't want to have too much volume, if you know what I mean. I think this works really great. I think it was worth the money because you can do so many different hairstyles with it. I really like that it has the 4 different options. That's probably my favorite part, and I don't usually get burned. Like, you can touch this when it's turned on, so I like that part because, like I said, I'll face it towards me, and I just, you know, don't really have to worry about burning myself because I'm a little bit accident prone. Yeah, guys, that's it for this review. If you guys have any questions, if I left anything out, or if you guys are getting one yourself or already have one, let me know what you think in the comments down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you guys get notified when I upload new videos. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.